We are sending this video for instant translation using the selected custom model that I selected when I uploaded the video, that model for English US to French France. And as I mentioned, all of your existing custom models for that language pair that we identified at the beginning, so English US to French France, all of those existing custom models would be available for you to select for your instant video translation, including any of those third-party providers that you have set up. And again, this is LILT's bread and butter, leveraging those custom models for translation that have been fine-tuned with your existing data. And instead of using those generic models, as we saw in the graphs that John showed earlier, these models that have been fine-tuned are going to produce higher quality translations using word choice, tone of voice, sentence structure, and everything else we've captured. So I can see that my translation is finished here, so I'm going to click next, and we can review the source and target text side by side to make any other changes now that it's been instantly translated into French. So I can see here right off the bat, it looks like maybe I have some words that were split out in this first segment. It looks like marketing didn't get segmented correctly. So I'm going to change that and make sure that it's all one clear sentence. Same thing here, maybe another word that needs to be brought to this second line. So any of these minor tweaks, these adjustments that we want to make before sending it to dubbing, this is something that you can do in this view. And similar to once we're done, I'm going to change one more here. It looks like another example of LILT being called wills. I'm going to change that to LILT. And once you're done, we can mark this as reviewed as we did before. So our dubbing is complete. I am going to click next and now play a very brief clip of what is now Bill giving a product demo in French.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Bill et je suis responsable du marketing produit chez LILT.
So it's very exciting. Now we can expand into additional markets with this French video. If we have maybe our linguist population or folks who are less familiar with English and we want to provide this training for them in French, we can do so in just a few clicks using those custom models.